Hey guys, what's up? It's me Sahim from SahimTech, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload video to your Windows 7 video editor. So let's begin. So here I am in the video editor, and I've given the name Beautiful Places in the World. Okay, so I have a couple of photos, pics, and I've put them in a folder. So first of all, there are two methods to upload media to your Windows video editor. So I'll be showing both the ways. So let's start with the first and easiest way. So first of all, you have to click on this blue add button. And it says add more photos and videos to this project. Just click on that, and then now it says from my collection and from this PC. From my collection means the photos I used, the photos I always used, always had a look at. You can see I have these photos. So I'm just gonna go back. Click on add again, and this is from this PC. That means that I'll get photos, so I can select it from anywhere I want. The photos like from documents, documents, desktop, stuff like that. So I'm gonna select video project. This is the folder, and I have here these images. So I'm gonna click on open, and then now you can see the file is added. So all these files has been added to the video editor. So now I can use it in my video project. Now I'm gonna delete all of these. Do Control A, delete. I have to delete them one by one. Okay, so let me delete all this, and now I'm going to show you the second method. Now the second method is that you just maximize, you have to restore down. So here I am, you have to restore down your window. And now you have to put this to the left side. Just make this smaller and then put it to the left side. You have to open up the folder which has the pictures you need. So mine is right here, video project. I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna select all these images and I'm gonna drag it. And then you're gonna drop it in the place where it says add media to get started. So I'm gonna leave my mouse. I'm gonna leave my finger, and now it's saying adding files. So right now it's adding the files like these beautiful pictures of the world. So in the world anyway. So it's adding those 7 images. You just have to wait patiently for it to add the image. So here it is, adding the image. So you can see it has added the files over here. You can see. Now if you want to turn, you can change the view here. So to large, keep it large. So you can see I have these beautiful pictures. The pictures I got it from Google right here. So guys, that's how you add the media to your Windows video editor. So guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like and share with your friend. And if you have any queries, please put them down in the comment section below, or you can just directly mail them to me to the mail ID msahim0@gmail.com. So msahim0@gmail.com. You can see the text I've put in the video. So just have to look at it. So guys, see you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next tutorial.